have seen videos that I posted before about the Absorver conditioner, this is actually it. The Absorver conditioner. And I will drop a link next to this video down below, somewhere around this vicinity, where you can grab these conditioners. But like, they're super bomb. Like, if you guys haven't seen already, then I've made a video of me washing wigs with this conditioner. What I love about this conditioner is it was made with wigs in mind. Like, you know, like there's different conditioners for different kinds of hair. You have your conditioner for your straight hair textures. You have your conditioner for your curly hair textures. And then this is your conditioner for your wigs. So what it has in the conditioner that's so special that makes it just for wigs, it has the nutrients and it has different ingredients in the conditioner that coats the hair on your wig. And our natural hair has a natural coating already that protects it from the environment and keeps our hair nice and fresh. And that's the reason why our hair can live for so long and long and long, and the hair is so amazing, because our scalp gives it these nutrients. Well, our wigs isn't attached to a scalp, so it can't get those nutrients, but then this conditioner, hello, will add those nutrients back into your wig. So I definitely recommend that you guys learn a little bit more about the Absorver conditioner, and you guys look into using a conditioner that's made specifically for your wigs, because I'm telling you, in the long run, you'll thank me.